Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be taking a look at the iBox Dusk bedside alarm clock with wireless charging. So this is a Christmas present. Now basically what it says, it's an alarm clock, it's Bluetooth speaker, just wireless charging, stuff like that, because it's just a sort of all-in-one product sort of thing. So let's get into it. So it is, so I'll grab the alarm clock and I'll pull these out. Not having my links can there. I thought it'd be a good idea to do this video on my bedside table, but there's clearly not enough room. So there's a card there that they've got videos, and then to download the app. So I'll take this side bit off. Now this side bit's got a box. So it's just the adapter. It's just a DC plug. Unlike the other one. Normally these sorts of things are like USB-C, but no, I guess they've just gone with a standard sort of plug. I say standard of. And then the alarm clock is in this bag. Says you first look at it. Now it's got this thing at the front, which again is saying to install the app, and then you've got to change it to Bluetooth, connect your phone to it to get it to work. So just have a look around. That's the wireless charging bit at the top. There's the front screen bit. Those are the buttons. I mean, they're just touch capacitive. There's the bottom of it. So as you can see, the power input is 5 volts at 3.5 amps. Then the USB output, which is this one here, is just 5 volts at 1 amp, which is not that quick. It's the same as them little plugs that they used to give you with iPhones pretty much. So that's not that bad. Some people probably use them. And then the wireless charging speed is 5 watts, which is quite slow. Like this 3-in-1 thing does 15 watts on that. But I'm only going to use this to charge my phone overnight, so it doesn't need to charge quickly. As long as it's 100% in the morning, it's not a problem. You see on the back, that's where the power goes in. There's that USB that I was talking about. And then this is for the FM radio, which I doubt I'll use. It says to unravel for the best signal, but I'm not too fussed. I'm just going to leave it raveled up so it's easy. And then here's the book here, but I'll show you how to do it anyway. So let's plug it in. Now, this here is its place, so I'll just put it there. So instead of moving the camera around, I'll just zoom into it. But as you can see at the minute, the time on the clock is just 00. So I'm going to go and download that app. So here's the app that you need, iBox Connect. Download that. So I'll open it. Now click connect here. So tip, please connect your device first. Okay, click convert. Now take it to my Bluetooth, so I'll click on pair new device. And now as you see in the instructions, I have to click the little source button at the end. So I change that. Oh, that's the radio. And change it to Bluetooth. And now it says on my phone, do you want a pair? So I'll click pair on that. And now it's on there. So I'll go back to the app, I'll click connect again. It says connecting. Now the time's gone correct on it. And I don't want Now it wants me to make an account. Don't really know why I need an account for this. But click iBox Dusk. Clock. You can change the brightness of it. One thing you can actually do is where it says snooze, you can tap like that and it changes the brightness. So like if it's too bright for you in the dark room, then you can change that. And then you can do alarms on it. And also it is just a speaker. Now I can't play any music that I'd want to listen to. So I'll play this song here because this is non-copyright. Oh, that's come up my phone, that has. I don't know why it's done that. Alright, it's on there now, so I can turn this up. That's not even all the way up on here. I'm going to turn it down on my phone. Just see what the highest number this goes to is. Yes, that goes to 15. And then that's only about halfway on my phone. Obviously, it's not the best sounding speaker ever, but considering it's like all this other stuff as well, like it does the clock, it's got wireless charging, that's pretty good. So not you put your phone on the top. And then another thing it has built in is these like white noise sleep sound things. So I'll turn the volume down. If you go into source, see this is AO1. I'm gonna go next. But then it's back to the beginning. And then obviously they've got the radio built in, which I wonder if I can find a station. Does it do auto? Oh, it's auto finding me a station now. Radio 2. Probably like the worst station. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, just a quick video really. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope to see you next video. Bye.